Want to find what other Amazon sellers are flipping for profit? Here's how to use Storefront Stalking to find hot deals fast. Storefront Stalking is the method of checking out other sellers' storefronts, seeing what's selling, and then finding those items yourself online or in-store to resell at a profit. It's a great way to discover items that are already proven flips without having to guess what might work. Start with brands that are known to resell well, like Nike, Adidas, or Fenty. These are reliable bets because they're always 90% of the time sold by other resellers. Look for other resellers in the buy box. Click this, and you'll see the other resellers of this product. Click the name of the seller names, and this takes you to their storefront where you can see everything they're selling. Sort by newest arrivals. Look for products with low BSR and multiple sellers. That usually means it's a solid flip. Cross-check prices on Walmart, Target, or other retail sites. Found a good one? Now stalk other sellers on that same listing. This rabbit hole can lead to tons of profitable product leads. If you want to learn more sourcing tricks like this and actually launch your Amazon side hustle, join the OA challenge using my link below.